Do you find it a total pain in the you-know-what to restring your lawn trimmer? Well, a lot of these manufacturers have come up with some really slick ways to make this a lot easier. I'd like to show you what Ryobi is doing with their Speed Winder system. Come check this out. All you need to do is feed your line through the side of the trimmer head until it comes out the other side. And then you're going to pull those pieces until they're about equal length. Once you've got your string pulled, all you have to do is wind this in the direction of the arrows. And you're going to wind that till there's about 6 inches sticking out of each side. There it is. It really is that easy with the Speed Winder system. This process took me a grand total of about 30 seconds to complete. Now, there are a couple of things you'll need to know as you start this process. First, you're going to want to know the manufacturer's recommended string size and length. So for this Ryobi 40 volt brushless trimmer, they recommend the 0.095 string size, and they recommend you use 10 feet in length. So you're gonna wanna cut that piece in advance and have it ready to go. If you do run into any challenges, there's a couple things you can check real quick to make this process go smooth. First off, look at the end of your line. Make sure you don't have any fraying or big globs on there that's gonna prevent the line from sliding easily through the trimmer head. And make sure there's no obstructions, nothing blocking the hole. That may also include opening the spool up and making sure you don't have a piece of line stuck inside the spool. You need to make sure the spool's in the proper alignment. You notice there's a line on here. There's also 2 arrows. You have to make sure that line's lined up with the arrows before you try to insert the line. If it's out of alignment, just give it a little twist until it lines back up. So the Speed Winder is probably my favorite feature on this trimmer. Now, it's not perfect. I do have some gripes about it. If you want to hear more about that, I'll link the video to my full review here. I'll also put a link here to some other tool reviews and things that you might find interesting. If you found this video helpful, think about subscribing. Give me that thumbs up. To all my brothers and sisters serving in harm's way around the world, you're always in my thoughts. Be safe out there.